Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to reset services.msc console in Windows 11. If you are having trouble with your Windows Services console and need to reset it, you are in the right place. It's an easy fix that can help resolve many common issues. For example, you have made several changes in services.msc and want to reset it back. There are two methods to reset services.msc console in Windows 11. So let me begin without any delay. First one method is through services.msc only. For that, press Windows plus R key on the keyboard. After that, type this one services or services.msc in this one run dialog box, and then click on this one OK button. After that, click on this one file option, file in the menu, and then select this one option. Here you will find this one option that says the file in your profile that store these console changes are using the following amount of disk space on this one computer. Just click on this one delete files button here. That to click on this one yes button. After that, click on this one OK button. Now close this one services.msc window and again open it, and it will reset all the services like this. These all services will be resetted to their default settings. And the next one method is through manual method, that you need to delete this one services.profiles where it is saved. For that, is Windows plus R on the keyboard. After that, you need to type this one percentage app data percentage slash Microsoft slash MMC. I will put this one path in this video description. In case you need it, you can copy it. After copying and pasting or typing this one path, click on this one OK button. Here you will find this one services file. Just right click on it and choose this one delete option to delete it. Ensure services panel is not opened on your Windows 11 PC. Otherwise, it will not allow you to delete this one file. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.